Grewal. She is famous for her grace, elegance, charm and poise. And it is a pleasure to have her here for the first time in Riyadh, and that too in the junior wing of Delhi Public School. On a talk show, Rendezvous with Principal. So, here the elegance meets wisdom. So hold your breath. See who's there. May I request Miss Margaret and Miss Amreen to escort Miss Simi Grewal to the stage. Children, please welcome Miss Simi Grewal with a big round of applause. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. I will request the coordinator of Grade-1 to welcome Miss Simi Grewal with a bouquet.
Good morning, Mr. Miraj Muhammad Khan. I'm Simi Grewal, and today I have the honor of interviewing you for our school. May I begin?
The pleasure is entirely mine. Thank you very much, Simi, for having called me on your rendezvous. Thank you so very much.
Everyone knows that principals are very important. But can you tell us what is the happiest part of your day at Delhi Public School, Riyadh?
But the happiest moment for me is when I come to junior school and these little ones, they are very happy, they give me a hug, and that indeed makes my day, and that's the happiest moment.
That's great. When you were in school, did you as well behave as you ask us to be? Or a little naughty sometimes?
Well, it is always good to be naughty, you know. You cannot have a life without having fun. And when you have fun, you have to be naughty at times. So being naughty is very different. But being indisciplined is something else. So you can always be naughty with discipline in your life. Alright? So that's what I expect from my kids also, that you should have lots of fun, and at times you should be naughty too, but then you should always be disciplined and respectful towards everybody all the time, right?
Thanks for sharing. If you could go back to Grade-1 just for one day, what would you like to do first?
A very interesting question. I should go to the time machine, take myself back to Grade-1. What would I do? I'll have to think about that, because it was ages back when I was in Grade-1. What I would like to do in Grade-1 now, I would definitely make a lot of problems for my teachers, because now after having spent a lot of time in life, I know how can I play with them. So I would definitely make life very difficult for them for at least a day. I'll have a lot of fun.
That's interesting. Our school is called Delhi Public School International. What do you think makes it so special compared to the others?
Well, schools children, they make it different to other schools. The children, if they are good in all aspects of life, if they are good in academics, if they are well behaved, if they communicate well, if they stand out in a crowd, that makes the school different, that makes the students different, and that is, the teaching faculty is wonderful. That's why their products are good. So that's what makes your school different. And I'm proud of the fact that I have a good faculty in the school, and my children they stand out wherever they go. So that's what makes DPS different. Thank you.
It makes us all feel proud to be a part of DPS Riyadh.
Yeah, you should be. You should be. You should be proud of the fact that you are a dev site and DPS is doing very well. And it is because of all of you and your teachers.
If you had a magic wand for our junior wing, what is the first wonderful thing you would like to create for the children?
Well, I know that they are being taken care of very well in this junior wing of the school. But had I had a magical wand with me, I would just make sure that each and every child is very happy and wants to come back to the school every day. And when the child goes back to home, they still miss the school. That is what I want. And I would like to make things much, much better for them so that they should be loving the place more and more.
Wow, that's magical. I really wish your dreams come true.
Thank you.
Do you remember your very first teacher? What is the one lesson you learned from her that still guides you today as a principal?
Well, I believe that all the good things in life are being taught to me by either my parents or my teachers. And I'm very grateful to them all for having taught me everything, and whatever I am today, that is only because of the teachings of my teachers. And I'm very grateful to all of them. May God bless their souls. And they made life wonderful for me, and they taught me how to face the life. Life is quite bitter also at times, but if you get the right kind of teaching and training, you are equipped for life. So then you can face everything. So I again take this opportunity to thank my teachers. Thank you very much.
That's wonderful. Teachers truly leave a lasting mark on our hearts. Finally, what message would you like to give to all little students who look up to you every single day?
Well, at the outset, I would like to congratulate you for having conducted this interview so very well, without a single faux pas or confusion. You came out very well. You are looking like a very, very trained journalist, right? And I would only like to tell all the children here that be very positive and be very confident in life, and there is no situation which you cannot face. You should be confident enough and intelligent enough to face all kind of situations in life. Be always very positive and try to be happy all the time, right? So this is only the message which I would like to convey to all my students.
Thank you, Mr. Miraj Muhammad Khan, for answering with such warmth and kindness.
Thank
It was
you.
a pleasure being Simi Grewal today.
Thank you very much,
and
Simi.
having this special conversation with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Simi. Thank you so very much for having me here. May God bless you.
मेरे पास है ऐसे मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे तू पास है मेरे पास है ऐसे मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे हाय मैं मर जाऊं जो तुझको ना पाऊं बातों में मैं तेरी तुझको पुकारूं सैयार टूटो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है सैयार टूटो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है थैंक यू
ये तस्वीर है ख्वाबों के रंगों की खुशियों की सभी अपनों की ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की मेरे दिल के सभी गल्तेरों की मेरे दिल की गलियां है जो इस गुलशन की गलियां है यहाँ हर फूल 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 मेरे दिल है और पिया है सिंगारी ये दुनिया है यहाँ हर
Thank you for everything, ma'am. May you get all the happiness in your life.
We wish you a very happy birthday. ये तो बस एक ट्रेलर है पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त ये मेरी अदा है ये मेरा स्टाइल ये मेरी अदा है ये मेरा स्टाइल दो साल हो गए हो तुम now don't doubt just smile happy birthday